I want to introduce a series of OOTDs for Sunday when I'm going to church, Monday and Tuesdays when I'm working from office. Well, this is a way of me making sure that I'm consistent because I haven't been consistent. And I also want you guys to assist me, hold me accountable. If I don't post, there must be a problem. So let's start with today's fit. I couldn't shoot this morning because I was late and my hair was a mess. So after working, then I'm an installer. So that's why the shoot. So today's fit, everything is from. Please pause the video and comment. You know the drill. I'm gonna pause a little bit, give you time. You guessed it right. Everything is from Zara except the belt. The belt is from H&M, and of course my ring is from my husband. Joking. And the hair is from Velo Hair. This is the outfit from the back. This is the outfit from the side. I love it so much. I was actually going to wear black shoes, but I discovered that it is actually What do you mean? I think I've only worn these shoes not even more than 15 times. Hopefully now that I have a car, this is our last day song. So that's the fit. Let me know if you like it. I think they still have, Zara still have Ozonge's items. The pants, bendizibonile, blazer. Guys, ndiyayicapukela ishop mna enempahla ezingapheliyo. So what do you mean? I think the blazer, I bought this blazer 3, if not 4 years ago. And they still have it. Haibo. So that's the fit. Let me know if you like it. Beniphethe nebag brown. Guys, andinazo ii-bags. Like ndiyasafarisha. I-brown ingangeniyo, but we move.